Good evening, wherever you have joined this channel from. It's a very great pleasure to have you here. Today, we want to discuss how you can use ChatGPT to write a book. You will be hearing about guys who have their books uploaded on Amazon KDP or have their books published on Amazon KDP or Seller or some other platforms where people can buy their digital books from. And you'll be wondering how to go about it. So, I have come to give you good news. Worry no more. And sit back, take a pen, take a cup of coffee or tea or whatever it is you like to take, and come along with me as I unravel how you can use ChatGPT to write a book. And believe me, guys, you can start a book project today and finish it within the next 3-4 hours, and you are on your way to becoming a published author. So how do we do it? First, instruct ChatGPT or prompt ChatGPT by saying, let's say you say generate a best selling book topic for Amazon KDP publishing. Right? So this prompt that you are typing here will help ChatGPT to suggest for you a topic that is a hot topic. And here it goes, and it will even give you a short description of what the book is all about. See the topic here, it says the ultimate guide to mindful productivity, achieving more with less stress. This is a topic that it suggests. Next, you have a topic now. All you just need to do is to go over to your, let's say your Google Doc, open a fresh document and paste your topic. Paste your topic. Here is what your topic is saying. You just paste it. Let's say I highlight now, hold it. Let's say I increase the font to font 18. Then I go ahead and I centralize the topic. So it says the ultimate guide to mindful productivity. That's beautiful. Guys, please and please, I want to call on you. If this is the first time you have encountered my channel, I'd like to invite you to please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Even go ahead to share this video with your family and friends whom you know for sure will gain a lot of value from it. Thank you very much. Let us proceed. Now you have the topic. The next thing you need is to have an outline. So you may say, also you say generate a chapter by chapter outline for the topic above. Let's see the box. Then you allow ChatGPT. Now you see it goes ahead to generate for us the topic for our book. So far so good. It's still working. While we are waiting for it to complete its job, I'd like to remind you once again that if it's the first time you have encountered my work in this platform, please hit the subscribe button, and then you will always be notified each time I drop fantastic contents just like the one you're watching momentarily. So our outline has been generated. Next is for us to go over now to Doc and paste. Just type out here, say, just type and say outline. Just like that. And then, okay, you paste what ChatGPT generated. So you see now you have the outline to a book that has 10 chapters. That's the second step. Now is the third step is what I will show you now. This is mind blowing, guys. You need to see this, you need to share this with your friends. You need to make your family and friends see this video. Don't be selfish, don't keep it to yourself alone. Share it with them immediately after you finish watching this video. They will be grateful that you have shown them this. Okay, so next, you will now instruct ChatGPT to write the chapters, write the work, go ahead to write this chapter by chapter. So you would like to say now that you can tell ChatGPT to act, say like a professional, you can say copywriter, copywriter, write, okay, let's say massive for my book titled, paste the title, then you now give the instruction. So write the following. So write the following. We go back now to space. Just copy chapter 1, the breakdown. Come over to ChatGPT. Then like to include it, insert it in between quotation marks. Let's see, have we done justice to this? We can even go for also add tell ChatGPT to include, let's say, include chapter takeaways, right? Takeaways. Then you hit enter. ChatGPT will go to work. As you can see, it will do a generation. Okay, I think there's a twist that I've added. Let's say that, let's rerun that. You say like a professional copywriter for my book title this. Okay. Okay. So you can now say write a 2000 word content for the following. I think that's better. Says chapter 1. Let's rerun this now and see what result it give. You can see now it's giving us a better twist and a better production. Check it. If you take each of the subheadings that you have in the outline, you will take them one after the other, and then it will generate sufficient content that you would like to include in a book for you. Now, when it stops and you sense that the sense it was making is not yet complete, it means that there is a little bit of truncation here. So you just type continue and hit enter. It will continue from where it stopped and continue to generate content. So let's just wait it out. Let it finish giving content for this first chapter. Voila! Ladies and gentlemen, I think it has completed work on the first chapter. Then what you need to do now is just copy up to the point where it got truncated, paste that on that Word document you already have. So Control V, paste this here. You can do a little bit of tweaking along the line if you want. Centralize this, make it bold. Just a second. Centralize it, make it bold. Close the form, let's say to 18. You have the chapter 1. Then don't forget that some contents were left out. So you go back, copy content up to the end of the chapter, and that you paste in just at the end of that. So you will have chapter 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you take it chapter by chapter, and before you know, you would have become an author before the end of today. I can assure you that. Now, if you want to find out how you can use this skill that you have learned to render services to international clients and get paid in dollars, click on the link on the description of this video, because a book that will show you step by step how you can set up your account on a platform called Upwork, where I have made millions of Naira this year alone. The link is there in the description of this video. Click on it, and it just go for a token fee, just $3 if you are not in Nigeria, or 1,500 Naira if you are in Nigeria. So hurry quickly now and click on the link. See you on the other side. And then after watching the video and you finish the book, and you still want to know how you want to learn how you can upload this book that you have written on Amazon KDP or any other platform that will make it possible for people to have access to it and pay you money, please leave a comment for me in the comment section and I'll reach out to you. Please subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, hit the notification button.